You already know verbs whose stems end in a long vowel. Today, two new families arrive and their stems shift right under your ear. Listen.
Rego, audio.
One says I rule, the other I hear. By the end, you will conjugate both completely. First, the 9 new verbs of this lesson. These two are the models we will drill.
Rego,
To rule.
audio.
To hear. Now 7 more that follow exactly the same patterns.
Ago,
To drive.
dico.
To say.
Duco,
To lead.
mitto.
To send.
Munio,
To fortify.
reperio.
To find.
Venio.
To come. 4 of these follow the model to rule, 3 follow the model to hear. 3 small words round out the vocabulary.
Campana.
A woman's name, Campana.
Semper.
Always.
Tu.
You, the singular subject pronoun. Latin usually leaves the subject inside the verb, so this pronoun appears only for emphasis. Everything turns on the present stem. The third conjugation stem ends in a short e. The fourth conjugation stem ends in a long I. Hear the difference.
Regge, audi.
From these two stems, we build the whole present tense, adding the same personal endings you already know from the first and second conjugations. Here is the third conjugation in full using the verb to rule, singular.
Rego,
I rule.
regis.
You rule.
Regit.
He rules, plural.
Regimus.
We rule.
Regitis.
You rule.
Regunt.
They rule. Notice how the stem vowel keeps changing. It hid inside the first form and it became a U in the last. Watch that short E closely because it behaves in 3 special ways. It combines with the ending in the first person singular, giving the form I rule. It turns into a U in the third person plural, giving the form they rule. Everywhere else, it softens to a short I. If that shifting pattern feels familiar, it should. The whole inflection runs exactly like the future of the verb to be.
Ero, eris, erit, erimus, eritis, erunt.
Now the fourth conjugation, using the verb to hear, its long I stays put. Singular.
Audio.
I hear.
Audis.
You hear.
Audit.
He hears. Plural.
Audimus.
We hear.
Auditis.
You hear.
Audiunt.
They hear. The endings simply attach to the stem, clean and steady, with just 2 small adjustments to watch for. Here are those 2 adjustments. In the third person plural, a U slips in between the stem and the ending, giving the form they hear.
Audiunt.
And in the third person singular, the long stem vowel shortens before the final T, exactly as it does in the verbs to love and to advise.
Audit.
Keep one general rule in your ear. The I is always short in the third conjugation and the long in the fourth, except where long vowels are regularly shortened. With those 2 models mastered, 7 more verbs cost you nothing new. Drive, say, lead, and send all follow the pattern of to rule. Fortify, find, and come all follow the pattern of to hear. Watch a form from each family.
Agit.
He drives.
Venimus.
We come. Same endings, same 2 stem behaviors, new meanings. Your turn. Translate these 3 short questions.
Quis agit, quid mittunt, cuius castra muniunt.
Take a moment. The first, who drives? The second, what do they send? The third, whose camp are they fortifying? Notice each verb ending tells you the person without any pronoun. 3 more mixing both conjugations.
Quid puer reperit, quem ducis, venimus.
Try them. A boy finds what? Whom are you leading? And the last, we come. Everyone is built from a stem you now control. Now the other direction. Put these English phrases into Latin. They lead. You drive singular. We are fortifying. Speak them. Then check. They lead.
Ducunt.
You drive.
Agis.
We are fortifying.
Munimus.
2 from the third conjugation, 1 from the fourth. A closing taste of real Latin. In the reading, the proud Campana always praised her own jewels.
Semper laudabat.
Cornelia answered by calling her sons her finest ornaments. 2 conjugations mastered, 9 new verbs, 1 steady truth. The ending carries the person and the stem vowel tells you which family you are hearing. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.